Welcome to the tutorial for the Node Extraction Module, or NEM. NEM is a QGIS processing tool designed to simplify stormwater drainage survey management. It takes raw survey data in CSV format and produces outputs ready for hydraulic modelling and asset management, ideal for councils, consultancies, and civil engineers. NEM does not require a pre-configured QGIS project, but setting one up is recommended. This helps with spatial referencing, validation, and visualization of outputs. In this example, we are working with real survey data for Wollongong in the American Creek catchment. Once your project is ready, using NEM is straightforward. In the Input CSV field, select your raw survey data file. In the Output folder field, choose where you'd like the results saved. Then enter file names for the pit and pipe geo packages, for example, American Creek pits. The coordinate system is by default to GDA 2020 and GA Zone 56 based on the author's location, but you can easily change this using the Select CRS button. When everything is set, click OK. NEM will process your data and load the pits and pipes into the QGIS workspace. The pit layer includes attributes that are vital for hydraulic and hydrological modelling, as well as asset management. It creates fields such as pit ID, elevation, invert levels, pipe sizes, slopes, and more. If needed, NEM can be programmed to include additional values. The pipe layer includes attributes such as unique pipe ID, pipe lengths, upstream and downstream, pit IDs, etc. NEM also generates a check file that flags pits with missing or incorrect values. These appear as not applicable fields in the pit layer, often due to survey errors, and are loaded into the workspace for easy identification. In our example, pit P4 has not applicable in the longitudinal 4 field. By visually inspecting the survey, we can determine that the invert point of the gutter is missing, which is required to calculate the slope and related attributes. NEM also creates a pipe check file which identifies unassigned or mismatched pipes. In this example, a pipe had incorrect upstream and downstream sizes, so the tool returned a false flag. Additionally, NEM creates a structured folder layout for all layer types and stores individual CSV files for each pit. In future updates, NEM will include direct export options for hydraulic and hydrological software like 2Flow, Drains, Swim, WBNM, and others. NEM improves the efficiency of stormwater pit data processing by automating repetitive tasks and integrating geospatial tools with smart validation. It ensures accuracy and consistency from survey to model. Whether you are building flood models or managing drainage assets, NEM is designed to save time and reduce error. Thanks for watching.